Yes, ready for dictation. Start. In addition, the tenant cannot be evicted except as provided under the Act. Stop. He shall not be evicted from his residence except from the house which is expended merely due to the reason that he has given up or is evicted from the holding in the village. Stop. No compulsion shall be inflicted to provide service or permit the exercise of cattle or agricultural equipments to his landholder, even if remuneration paid or not. Stop. The lease or contract entered between the tenant and landlord which relate or would function or prohibit a tenant from obtaining, using or enforcing the conferred right or given to him shall to the extent of exclusion be invalid. Stop. Besides, some rights are also granted to the landlord, like the right to collect rent from the excess land apart from the 1/4 where cotton is cultivated at the rate prescribed under the Act. Stop. He can enter or assign his surveyor, agent or servant to enter at all rational times at any land embraced of his estate to survey and measure out the land or any other legal motive. Stop. He can release or work a mine or award a lease to assume or grant license to any person to carry out expected work to find out new resources to provide minerals. Stop. Passage. The plea set up by the respondents is primarily on the ground of limitation, stating that the petitioner company was to supply the material by 15/3/2003 and on receipt of request the bank guarantee amounting to rupees 3 crore was released and the same was received by the representatives of the petitioner company on the same day. Stop. Thereafter, no request was received by the company regarding any dispute till 15/6/2007. Thus, the present proceedings are barred by limitation, having not been initiated within 3 years of encashment of the bank guarantee. Stop. On the other hand, learned counsel for the petitioner, while rebutting pleas set up by the counsel for the respondents, urged that arbitration case number 96 of 2008. Stop. Limitation in this matter would start when an intimation was sent by the respondents to the petitioner that an amount of rupees 10,000 is payable to the petitioner. Stop. I find force into the submissions made by counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Passage. A bare perusal of letter dated 13/3/2006 shows that intimation was lastly sent by the respondents to the petitioner with regard to the amount due to the petitioner. Stop. Contents of letter dated 13/3/2006 are reproduced hereunder for the sake of reference. Stop.